Hey guys, let's make my healthy ginger pineapple drink. This pineapple ginger drink is very healthy and is very delicious. So let's dive into it. Please remember to wash your pineapple before you start any recipe, and remember to wash your hands too. So I'll show you how to peel, how to cut pineapple in this video. And please remember to watch this video to the end to learn how to make our healthy pineapple ginger drink. So I'll be dicing my pineapple, like cut it into smaller pieces so it will be easy for us to make our pineapple ginger drink. So I like using this method. It's fast and it's easy for me to make any type of pineapple drink. So I'll be cutting my pineapple using this method just the way I'm doing in the video. For my new viewers, my returning viewers, and my returning subscribers, I love you all. Thank you for being supportive of my channel. Please feel free to go through my channel and watch more of my video if you are a new viewer. I have lots of recipes that you are going to love and you are going to learn from. Please feel free to share my video and leave down a comment so I'll know what you'd love to see more on my channel. You're welcome to the family. So after dicing this, please do not throw off your pineapple skin. I'm going to be using it, and you can use it to add more flavor to your pineapple ginger drink, and you can also boil it to get more flavor, and you can store the water in the refrigerator for a long time if you want for preparing more drinks and more juice recipe to add more flavor to it. So after dicing, I'm going to put it into a sauce pot. Then I'm going to add water to prepare this. But before that, I'm also going to be using other recipe, which is the ginger. I'm going to stir the pot aside. Then I'm going to use a thumbnail of a ginger, like a size of your thumbnail, not too big, not too small. So I'm going to be peeling up my ginger. I'm not peeling it like fully peels, like I want some of the ginger to still remain in the skin. So I'll be using like a little amount of the ginger, and I'm going to add it into the pineapple. So I want that ginger skin and the ginger to taste in the pineapple water as well to give it extra flavor. So that is the reason I'm doing that method. I'm going to add some water into it. Then we'll put it in the gas stove to cook our pineapple skin and ginger to add extra flavor to our early pineapple ginger drink. So boil this until it's fully boiled, like 15 to 20 minutes. So after boiling, I'm going to save this, like I'm going to filter it. So to extract the dirt from the pineapple water, you can save this like twice to get a perfect clean pineapple water to add extra flavor to your pineapple ginger drink. So I like storing this water for a couple of days, depends on how many juice I want to prepare for the week. So to add extra flavor to my drink or my juice. So as I said, you can save it like twice. So I'm saving it for the second time to make it fully clean from dirt, from any particle. Then I'm going to step this aside until it's fully cooled down. So I don't want to add something too hot into the blender. So I like it like cold, like warm, not cold. It all depends on how patient you are. Then I'm going to put the diced pineapple into the blender and start preparing my pineapple ginger drink. This drink is so healthy and it tastes delicious. It has been tested and trusted by my kids. It's also kids friendly. My kids don't really like pineapple that much, but for me to encourage them to eat more pineapple, I normally prepare pineapple juice. So I'll also be using a sweetener. So I'll be using half cup of sugar. Then I'm going to add hot water. That's water that just boiled to dissolve my sugar to give it extra sweetener. It's optional. You can decide to add any sweetener of your choice, Or you can also decide to boil your sugar with your pineapple skin. But I prefer doing this method, and it makes it easy for me. Do something that you are comfortable with. I prefer this method, and it's, as I said, it has been tested and trusted. This recipe has been tested and trusted by my kids and by my family. So it's come out really good. I make fresh juice and drinks for my kids for lunch to school every week. So I make freshly juice for them. So I'm going to add my pineapple water into my cut pineapple and ginger. It gives it extra flavor. I prefer using that water to blend my pineapple. So that's why I first of all prepare the water to give it extra flavor. Feel free to use water if that's what you prefer, but this gives it extra flavor. You know, when I said extra, I emphasize that extra. Blend until everything is fully smooth. After blending our pineapple and ginger, we are going to filter this, like we are going to sieve it to extract the particles of the blended pineapple and ginger to get that pure, clean pineapple ginger juice. Feel free to add water to the blender to rinse it to give it, you can just to increase the quantity. It does not really change the taste or the flavor of the pineapple ginger drink. It tastes the same, the flavor still tastes delicious, and it is wow. So I'm going to discard this. There are still a lot of bubbles in the drink, so I'm going to save it for the second time to extract the bubbles from the drink. This is how it looks. There are a lot of bubbles in after blending your pineapple. Pineapple normally have bubbles after blending it. So to extract the bubbles, I normally save it for the second time. So this is how it looks. So I'm going to discard this. Then we'll proceed with our pineapple ginger drink. Please remember to give this video a like and leave down a comment in the comment section. So I'm going to transfer my already saved pineapple ginger drink into a bowl. You can decide to skip the sweetener if you are taking it for yourself. This will really taste delicious because of the look of the pineapple. It tastes good. It all depends on your pineapple. There I'm going to add my sweetener into it, my already dissolved sugar earlier. I'm going to add it and stir to give it that extra flavor. You know the kids are a little bit picky for the pineapple, so that's why I'm adding sweetener. Feel free to add ice to your glass cup to enjoy this, to make it taste chill, like cold, or you can put it in the refrigerator for a couple of 30 to an hour to make it taste really chill, or you can take it like the room temperature. It all depends on how you want your drink to taste. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give us a like, and please share this video. Leave down a comment in this comment section. Let me know what you think about this pineapple ginger drink, and please remember to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and watch more of my videos. See you next time.